Hi everyone, this is Guy Level and welcome to my channel. This is unboxing video. I just received my art supply package and just want to test my color. This is for leaf. There are 4 brushes in 2 different materials, 2 for red sables and 2 for white bristol. But I don't want to test this for brushes and I won't open them. I just want to compare them with the Winsor Newton, the poster brushes. So I just threw them away. In this video, I want to test this. I think is maybe 10 colors. It's from I don't know how to pronounce it. Nevskaya Palitra company. It's a Russian company, and this company is famous for its watercolor. The watercolor named White Nice. And this company's products is very easy to buy in China. So I used to buy them masterclass acrylic and I love them. So this time I bought them tempera. I just visited their official website and I found that it's not a traditional tempera paint. They use appointment binder, so in fact I think it's more closer to the acrylic gouache. So I prepare this test paper. Actually I paint a blank line in acrylic marker. So I gonna use this scenic gel brushes. It's a soft handle. So let's begin. First I want to test this is 2 sample brushes. Let me from this sample. There's 3 cadmium lemon and cadmium light and ultramarine. Oh, it's still. Oh my god, it's too full. A little messy. The consistency is more like acrylic. Okay. The next one is ultramarine. No, it's cadmium light. Hope it's not okay. It's not too much. Just a little. This is a cadmium light. I need to wash it. I think the color is hard to whip up. Okay, and the third is ultramarine blue. Okay, that's good. just a little. Oh, it's a very saturated color. Oh, by the way, I found this paint have a strange chemical smell. I don't know how to describe it. It's a little, just a little stingent. Okay, let's test another color. I think this paper is not enough, so I had to prepare another. Let me draw another test paper and let it dry for a while. Okay. So I test. This is golden ochre, as the pigment is PY 42. Okay. Maybe it's not too opaque. The next color is chromium oxy green. I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe I pronounced it wrong, but whatever. It should be a very opaque pigment. It's PG17. Yes, as you can see, it's very opaque. I can use brushes, and the next is brown arrow oxide. It's the brown series, and the pigment number is PBR6. Maybe too little. I think it's a little. It's hard to tell the tendency of cold or warm. Maybe it's I think it's a warm brown, but the value is too low. It's hard to tell. And this is a cadmium red deep. Pigment is PR108. It's an expensive pigment, and it should be also be opaque. But unfortunately, it's not very opaque, I think. Maybe I should more paint and try it again. Okay, I think it's some better. Okay, this box are finished. Let's jump to another box. And I just found another interesting thing is that the paint is heavier than the acrylic, but they are both 46 milliliter. Very interesting. Maybe the binder is weighter. And the next color is Smooth yellow. Smooth yellow, and the pigment is PY184. It's a very cold yellow. It should be opaque, but it's not opaque as much as the traditional cadmium red lights. Maybe I have to try more paint. Let me try. Okay, I think it's most opaque it can arrive. The next color is arrow red. The pigment is PR101. It's also a opaque color. Oh, the color I think it's much dry out. I need to dry out. Okay. It's a very deep English red. Maybe it's a little too transparent. I think the binder and the pigment just split apart. Okay, clean my brush and for the next. And the next is the last box. Oh my god. The next is cobalt blue. It's my go-to color. I nearly buy the cobalt blue whenever I exchange it to a new brand. I just love it. I bought this company's cobalt blue in acrylic, but I think in acrylic the paint is not very opaque, so I try it tempera paint again. I hope it's opaque, but unfortunately, I think it's not opaque enough. Oh, okay, a new side. Okay, more color, and we'll see. I think it's semi-opaque. Okay, the next paint is Quinacridone Violet. Oh, I think the binder and the pigment just be apart again. Hope I can text it. Oh, it's apart. It's a transparent color. The pigment is PV155, and it's a real pigment. It's hard to see. Oh my god, it's too binder. I need to squeeze. Oh, it's transparent. Oh, still too much binder. I need another tissue. Okay, finally. Let's dig some pigment out. Try it again. I love the color, but the paint, the consideration is not very well. The condition is not very well. Okay. Clean my brush and try the next. Yeah. Luckily, I think this paper is enough for testing. And the next is titanium white. No need to explain. It's PW6. Every artist will have this pigment. I just want to test its opacity. I think it's just not better much than acrylic paint. Okay. And this the all tempera paint, but I still have the last one. This is acrylic, not tempera. This is gray graphite. Gray graphite. It's a mixed pigments, and it's PBK 11 and PW6. The original pigment should be PBK 10, but I just need its color tendency. Hope it's not too light. Okay, I think it's a neutral gray, neutral deep gray. I can use it with Liquitex medium gray to get some dead gray layer effect. Okay, lucky this one, just this one piece of paper just enough for this testing. And the top color is just nearly dry, and it's totally matte. I love the matte surface. So this is the whole video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.